welcome back to my channel, or hi, hello if you're new here. Today I'm going to be doing a review and demo on the Silicone facial cleansing pads. So let's just go ahead and get right into the review and demo. Alrighty, so I've already took off my makeup and I've already rinsed off my face. So now I'm going to be using this silicone cleansing pad. And this is just what it looks like. It claims to remove dirt, oil, extra makeup out of your pores, and it also helps with blackheads, but I don't really have a problem with blackheads or anything like that. I just generally just wanted to try this to see if it does give you a good clean. Now, these are super cheap. They're only like $2 and something, and the bristles on here are silicone, and they're very soft. I really do like the bristles on here. And then back here in the back, it has this little suction thing, which is actually really cool because you can suction it to the table when you're not using it, and you can actually slide it in between these two fingers and just go to town. So I'm not really going to go into detail about my skincare routine because I literally just did a skincare video. The purpose of this video is to review the silicone cleansing pad. And so, yeah, but the cleanser that I will be using tonight is my Clean and Clear Deep Action Cream Cleanser. I use this every single night. This is like my favorite nighttime cleanser ever. It gets everything off of your skin and then some, so that is literally one of my faves. I also use the Morning Burst Cleanser in the morning time, but yeah. So I'm just going to squirt some directly onto the pad, but first I'm actually going to dip the little silicone pad into my little water bowl here. The reason that I wash my face at my vanity versus a bathroom sink, in case you are wondering, is I cannot get up to our bathroom sink. I can't get up to the little counter, so I just wash my face in here with a little bowl. Don't worry though, I do wash this bowl every time that I use it, after I use it, so I mean it is clean. Alright, I just kind of let it sit over the bowl for a few seconds and let it drip all the extra water off of it, so that way I don't make a mess, because the Lord knows I'm really good at making a mess. Like, I should get a diploma in making messes. I'm so good at it. Okay. Now we're going to put the cleanser straight to the pad. And I really don't use that much cleanser. I just use a tiny little bit, because just a tiny little bit goes a long way. So that is about how much cleanser I use. So now I'm just going to start at my chin, and I'm going to go in circular motions. It does feel really soft on my skin, but it also, the bristles kind of tickled a little bit. But I mean, that's like really the only thing. I definitely can feel it is kind of pushing the cleanser a little bit more into my skin and really helping to get everything out of my pores. Now, these are really good if you have acne-prone skin or sensitive skin like I do, because it's not going to irritate your face and it's not going to turn your skin red and make you break out, which is always a good thing. Alright, so I'm going to go rinse my face off and I'll be back. Alrighty, so this is what the pad looks like now that I have cleaned my face off with it. I haven't rinsed it off yet, but as you can see, there is a lot of dirt and just extra makeup and just stuff that was literally just stuck into my pores. So this really works. I really like this little silicone cleaning pad. Like I said before, these are only $2 and you get a pack of 3. And really for the price, I mean, you can't beat it. It's a really good skincare must-have. I mean, if you need something to deeply wash your face with and you don't have a lot of money to spend on a skincare system or just whatever, this is really the way to go because this really works. It's so soft, it's so gentle, it doesn't irritate your face, and you really don't feel like you have anything on your face when you're rubbing your face with this. You just get a light tickle. The bristles are so soft and so delicate that they don't poke or irritate your skin. So I really do like this a lot, and like I said before, my skin has not broken out since I have started to use these, so I really do like them and I will keep on using them. I am very, very impressed with how well these work and how well they clean up my face, and they really get deep and down in there into my pores and just really deeply clean them out and get all of that dirt and extra makeup and oil that just kind of sits in there and gives me little bumps on my face. So I really do like these a lot, and like I said in the review and in the demo, I would highly recommend them. They're very soft. You just kind of feel a very light tickle on your face, and that's it. The bristles are very rubbery and just very soft, and they just glide over your face very, very effortlessly. So I really do like these a lot. They're very affordable, and they're a very good, cheap option for deep cleaning your face. Alright everyone, so that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I hope you all really did enjoy it, and I will see you all in the next video very, very soon. Bye guys, thanks for watching.